Hey job seekers, feeling lost in the hunt? It's a common sentiment and we're here to lend a hand. Navigating the job market can feel like an uphill battle, but with the right guidance, it doesn't have to be. This video is designed to be your compass, revealing the path to your dream career. We'll delve into proven strategies, from the importance of self-reflection to mastering the art of the interview. So buckle up. Today's your guide to unlocking amazing job opportunities. Before diving in, ask yourself, what are your passions, skills, and values? Ponder on what truly excites you, what tasks you excel at, and what principles guide your actions. These are not just idle thoughts. This self-reflection forms the cornerstone of your career path. It's about recognizing your strengths, embracing your interests, and honoring your values. Understanding these aspects of yourself is vital. It's not just about finding a job, it's about finding the right job for you. Remember, knowing your why guides your job search journey. Research industries, companies, and specific roles that align with your goals. This isn't just about browsing job listings, it's about understanding the landscape. What are the trends? What skills are in demand? Where do you fit in? Online resources are a treasure trove of information. Use them to your advantage. Attend career fairs, engage with professionals in your field, ask questions, learn. Networking isn't just about who you know, it's about who you get to know. Dive deep, gather insights, and get a clear picture of your target job market. Your resume and cover letter are your narrative. These documents are your golden ticket to a captivating first impression. Start by spotlighting your relevant skills and achievements. Don't forget to weave in your personal experiences that make you stand out. Make sure to tailor your narrative to align with each unique position you apply for. This way, you're not just another applicant, but a compelling candidate with a unique value proposition. And above all, be genuine. Be you. Remember, authenticity matters. Job boards, company websites, and professional networks are your allies. These platforms are treasure troves of opportunities waiting to be discovered. To navigate this digital landscape effectively, you must wield the power of targeted keywords. Think about what your ideal job title might be, or specific skills that are relevant to your desired role. Use these as your compass in your online search. And remember, job hunting isn't a solitary journey. Reach out, connect, and engage with professionals in your field. Don't underestimate the power of networking. Connect with professionals on LinkedIn, attend industry events, and reach out to your network. Networking is more than just collecting contacts. It's about planting relations. Remember to be genuine, ask insightful questions, and always follow up. Building relationships is key. Research the company and prepare anticipated questions. Dress to impress, punctuality is key, and let your passion shine through. Show them you're genuinely interested in their mission. Remember, confidence and clear communication are crucial. Thank the interviewer for their time and reiterate your interest. Follow-up emails or calls show you're proactive and keen. Keep your spirits high. No matter the outcome, each interview is a learning curve. Stay positive, learn from each experience, and don't give up.